Hey, J.R. Fisher here, founder of Survival Cave Food. We're going to talk about our ground beef today, or hamburger meat, whatever you want to call it. It's fully cooked and it comes in two different size cans. Now, this is the 14.5 ounce. The 14.5 ounce is going to give you 5 servings, but keep in mind we give you 3-ounce servings. Most containers in the grocery store that you look at will say, well, 2 ounces is a serving. We don't do that. We say 3 ounces. It also comes in a 28-ounce can. This 28-ounce can is going to give you 9 servings. So that's a lot of meals right there. Now let's talk about what you can do with it. Now I got to tell you, this is one of my favorite meats, our ground beef. Our canned ground beef, fully cooked. They're so versatile. There's no chemicals, preservatives, or additives. It's so delicious, you're going to want to eat it at every meal. This isn't your everyday ground beef that you would just go down to a grocery store and grab from the case. This is a very high grade of the best possible beef you can get in America. It's ideal for a range of different recipes. Now, with no added preservatives, fillers, or additives, it's a pure, all-natural choice for healthy, convenient meals. It's perfect for creating dishes like, savory ground beef burritos. I like those. Ground beef in your spaghetti sauce, Texas-style chili, or flavorful homemade chili dogs. I love it on all of them. If you have any questions about this, feel free to contact us. You can check out our frequently asked questions section, but you're going to want to grab some of these as soon as you can. Put them in your shopping cart and enjoy.